Hi, and thank you for joining us today. In this video, I am going to be going over the ingredients that people should be avoiding when it comes to their cleaning products. So honestly, why use these different ingredients that I'm going to be going over with you in your cleaning products when you don't have to? So for me personally, I love knowing that I am using products that are only safe for my children and not harmful. I also love that these products, when I use them, they're also beneficial for them too. So what you're going to see is we have different essential oils in the different cleaning products that we make, and also in our cleaner that is already pre-made. And so these essential oils are actually beneficial for you too when you clean, outside of just getting rid of germs and helping your house smell fresh and clean. So for many years, I usually just bought whatever popular products were on sale or the ones that I had a coupon for at the time when I needed them. Most people are just buying whatever products are easiest that they can find at their local stores quickly, right? Especially young moms or people who are raising families. So have you ever wondered if these products are actually safe for you, like the ones that you're just quickly grabbing? Sadly, many of these products, including the green ones, contain ingredients that you do not want in your house or near your family. So if you have not seen our intro video about the greenwashing, I highly recommend that you get a hold of that video. It's one of the first videos in this series. So what are these ingredients and why do we not want to use them in our home? Okay, let's take a look. So in order to do that, I'm going to share my screen here with you guys, and we are going to talk about what those products are. Here we go. All right, so I'm still here with you guys. I'm just up on the upper right hand part of your screen. So here's the ingredients that we want to avoid, okay? If at all costs you can avoid these ingredients in your cleaning products, this would be best. Number one is formaldehyde. It's a preservative often seen in lotions, cosmetics, and baby wipes. It's also a known carcinogen that can cause skin and respiratory irritations. The next one is phthalates. It's a group of chemicals found in personal care products and many plastics and vinyls. They can often affect your endocrine system, your reproductive health, and even potentially cause cancer. So the next one is VOCs, which are also known as volatile organic compounds. And these are gases that are emitted into the air. These compounds are found in some building materials. They're found in home and personal products, gasoline, and even things like glue and permanent markers. So are you wondering yet, like, why are these things in our cleaning products? Are these things actually more harmful for us than they are good? So breathing in the VOCs can cause eye, nose, and throat irritations, as well as it can cause breathing difficulties and nausea. So they can also cause damage to the central nervous system and other very vital and important organs. Our next ingredient to avoid is the SLS, which is the sodium lauryl sulfate, and it's also known as sodium laureth sulfate, which is SLES. These are surfactants commonly used as an emulsifying cleaning agent in household cleaning products. So these are found in laundry detergents, spray cleaners, and dishwasher detergents. An emulsifier is an ingredient that keeps things mixed up together, and it helps a recipe create a lather. So oftentimes people think that these lathers are what are cleaning, but they're actually made of harmful ingredients. These emulsifiers are oftentimes synthetically derived, and they have the potential to cause skin irritation, and many of you guys have experienced that yourselves. The next one is the ethanolamines. You'll see these as MEA, DEA, and TEA. These are found in many household and personal care products and have been linked to toxicity, bioaccumulation, and even cancer. The next one that we have is triclosan. This is found in many antibacterial soaps, hand sanitizers, and detergents. And what I want to know is why, right? Do you ever ask yourself, why are we having all these bad ingredients in products that are supposed to be good for us, products that are actually supposed to help us clean our homes and make our atmosphere healthy? So it's also found, this triclosan is also found in some toothpaste, deodorants, cosmetics, plastics, and more. It can affect the thyroid and the endocrine system, and it was recently banned by the FDA to be used in antiseptic washes. However, it can still be found in some other products like toothpaste, cosmetics, and even clothing, kitchenware, furniture, and toys. So it was banned by the FDA in antiseptic washes, but it somehow can still be used in toothpaste, cosmetics, and clothing, kitchenware, furniture, and toys. Like, why, right? So the last one we want to talk about is the fragrances that are in our products. We want to spend a little extra time on this because this is where things get really fun and interesting for us in the products that we use. So the word fragrance can appear on a label and contain an enormous list of ingredients that a company is not required to disclose, as it is considered a trade secret. So they can list it as fragrance and not list a bunch of things that, in my opinion, should be listed so that we can know what are in their products. So that means a product could contain some awful ingredients and the consumer wouldn't even know. We wouldn't know what is in that fragrance because they don't have to disclose that. These chemicals could be linked to cancer, reproductive, developmental toxicity, allergies, and sensitivities. In my mind, I'm saying, why take the risk, right? Would you believe that these are only a few of the ingredients that you want to avoid when bringing products in your home? How exhausting does it sound to you to have to read label after label, wondering if what you are using is safe? No, thank you. So here's where the good news comes in, and this is really, really good news. You do not have to do this. You do not have to read label after label. You do not have to worry day in and day out what you are bringing into your home, because you will not find any of these ingredients in our Young Living products, especially in our Thieves cleaning line. Interesting, or oddly enough, our Thieves line that we clean with, also we have a Thieves that's a vitality oil that you can actually ingest. So that's just a really good way to show you guys that Thieves is completely safe. So you can trust that you are purchasing, or what you are purchasing from Young Living is truly a safe product. Young Living never uses artificial dyes, harsh chemicals, or synthetic fragrances. So this makes me happy as a consumer for many, many reasons. So here I am back. Here's one of the best parts. So it comes directly to your door every single month. How easy is that? We order every single month. And in our next upcoming videos, we're going to be taking a more in-depth look of what each of these individual products, specifically the Thieves products, look like from Young Living and what makes them so special to us. So we would love for you to share with us, have you take a peek at the labels on the products in your home. Have you guys done that yet? Where you take the products that you're using, take a picture, post it in the comments, because we want to help you guys see, are any of these harmful products that you should be avoiding, are they in the products that you are currently using? If you haven't already shown us a picture in the comments or sent us a picture to get in one of our giveaways, then this would be a great time to do that. And let us know in the comments, have you decided to toss any of these products, or are you kind of starting to think like, why am I doing this? If you are, you're not alone, okay? Many of us have already done this. We've actually have this whole term called ditch and switch, where we go through our homes at different times and we do it little by little. So have patience with yourself. Keep learning in our classes, and we will help guide you and teach you and train you how simple this process can really be. Thank you again for joining us in this video, the top ingredients that you want to avoid in your cleaning products.